everyone. Welcome back to part 2. As you know, in part 1, I was explaining how to make a popsicle stick with a poster board. What I did, I draw the line, and first I cut it, the shape and the stick, and I cut it. It looked like a bite of the popsicle. And then I use a stencil with letters with black. And then I add some felt and I cut a little seed all around it. And now I will show you how to paste on a bowl at the top, the corner of the popsicle, right here. Now see, I made a bowl, and we put glue on top right here. And then we're going to put on the corner. And there it is. A popsicle. Summer popsicle. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and give me thumbs to help my channel to grow. And if you're new, welcome, and click the red box, subscribe, and a notification bell so you will not miss the fun crap. And stay tuned for the fun cooking activity is coming soon. We'll have fun. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.